Triple scalar product or scalar triple product is defined or determined by taking the scalar triple product of three vectors a, b, and c, and it is determined by a dot b cross c magnitude, which actually gives the volume of the parallel pipe, which is formed by these three vectors, as you can see in the figure. If these three vectors are extended in their parallel direction, then a parallel pipe is formed by these three vectors, and a dot b cross c is determined. First of all, we have to find out b cross c, the cross product between the two vectors b cross c, which is actually defined as bc sine theta. And after taking their answer, we will apply the dot product on this. We will apply the dot product between the vector a and the answer of b cross c. So we will got bc sine theta dot a cos phi. Phi is the angle which is made between a and the vector b cross c, as you can see in the figure. So in component form, you can also find out the scalar triple product by using the component of these three vectors, as a vector having components ax, ay, az, and b cross c is determined by using the method of determinant ijk, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. Now applying the dot product, we are left with the determinant ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. In scalar triple product, if we change the position of dot and cross, then a dot b cross c is equal to b dot c cross a, which is equals to c dot a cross b, which shows that the equality remains same, right? If and which is equal to minus a dot c cross b. If we're changing the dot and cross between these vectors, then we got the negative sign because their position are changed. So the equality becomes minus a dot c cross b equal to minus b dot a cross c equal to minus c dot b cross a. For more understanding of a scalar triple product, there is some example in the video. Kindly open the hyperlink and you will hopefully understand the topic more easily. Some practicing exercise. Verify that u cross v dot w equals to v cross w dot u equals to w cross u dot v. The scalar triple product between the vectors u, v and w. You have to verify this equation and also find out the volume of parallel pipe by using the vectors u, v and w. As you already know in the previous slide, that the volume of the parallelepiped is given by the scalar triple product of u, v and w. So you guys have four questions regarding this exercise, in which the values of vectors are changing. You have to verify the given equation and find out the volume of the parallel piped. What is a line? A line is a straight path in a plane that goes on forever in opposite direction. A line is a path having no endpoints. It extended in both ways. Right? A line can be written or abbreviated as AB. AB shows the points on the line, or it can be extended in both ways in the direction of A, and it can also be extended in the direction of B, or the line can also be represented by BA. A point. What is a point? Point, an exact location in space, usually represented by a dot बहुत दफ़ा हम लोगों ने पॉइंट को डिस्कस किया है, प्लेन में भी, 3D स्पेस के अंदर भी। तो पॉइंट हमारे पास क्या है कि किसी भी प्लेन के अंदर या कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में जो एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन है उसको शो करने के लिए हम पॉइंट का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, और वो स्पेसिफिकली हमारे पास जो है वो लेंथ्स बताता है कि कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस में उसकी क्या, उसने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर्ड किया है रिस्पेक्ट relevant to the axis, right? And it is denoted by a point or a dot. Okay, the next term is line segment. Line segment is actually the part of a line. So the line segment is defined as a part of a line that includes two points called endpoints and all of the points between them. A line segment is denoted or represented by AB, or it can be represented by BA. As you can see, the what is the main difference between the line or the line segment? Line can be extended in either way, whereas the line segment has the endpoints, has limited distance or length, or has a magnitude, right? Specific or definite magnitude. What is a parallel line? Parallel lines actually ऐसी lines होती हैं which do not intersect. As you can see in the figure, we have the parallel lines RS and TU. These two lines are said to be parallel because they never intersect. As you can see in the figure, they are called the overlapping lines. They are in the same direction, or they are moving in the same direction. They do not intersect. As you can see that such lines are called parallel lines. What is a perpendicular line? The line, if two lines are said to be perpendicular if they make an angle of 90 degrees, or if they are at the position of right angle. So the perpendicular lines are defined as two lines that intersect to form four right angles. If you can see in the figure, there are two lines AB and CD, and they are making four right angles. That, if you can see that they are making an angle of 90 degree in the first quadrant, similarly in the second, third and the fourth quadrant. So we can write or represent it that AB is perpendicular to CD, or CD is perpendicular to AB. In both way we can write it or abbreviated it. So perpendicular lines are those lines which intersect at an angle of, or making an angle of 90 degree, or the lines which are mutually perpendicular are called perpendicular lines. For more understanding, please open hyperlink which is written in the slide, in which you can easily understand ये जितनी भी हमने अभी टर्म्स पढ़ी हैं और इनके अलावा जो बेसिक टर्म्स हैं वो आप लोगों को विद एग्जांपल्स डिफरेंट फिगर्स के साथ इसमें डिटेल के साथ बताया गया।